Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks. Our first question is, which of the following network extends private network across public networks? Given options are option A, virtual private network, B, local area network, C, storage area network, D, enterprise private network. Here correct answer is option A, VPN, virtual private network. So virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. Next question. What does each packet contain in a virtual circuit network? Given options are A, only source address, B, only destination address, C, full source and destination address, D, a short PC number. Your correct answer is option D, a short PC number. So short PC numbers, also called as VCID, virtual circuit identifier, is a type of identifier which is used to distinguish between several virtual circuits in a connection-oriented circuit switch network. Each virtual circuit is used to transfer data over a large packet switch network. Next question. What is the term of the data communication system within a building or campus? Given options are option A, MAN, option B, LAN, LAN, option C, PAN, PAN, option D, WAN, WAN. So here correct answer is option B, LAN, local area network. So LAN network connects computers in a small area such as school, offices, residence, etc. It is the most versatile kind of data communication system where most of the computer network concept can be visibly used. Our next question. Which layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery in a general network model? Given options are A, session layer, B, data link layer, C, transport layer, D, network layer. Your correct answer is option C, transport layer. The role of transport layer is to establish a logical end-to-end connection between two systems in a network. The protocols used in transport layer is TCP and UDP. The transport layer is responsible for segmentation of the data. It uses ports for the implementation of process-to-process delivery. Our next question. What was the name of the first network? Given options are ASAPNET, B, ARPANET, ARPANET, C, CNNET, D, NSFNet. The correct answer is option B, ARPANET, ARPANET. So, ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was the first network to be implemented which used the TCP/IP protocol in the year 1969. TCP/IP means Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol. Thank you.